All right, we're walking down another street in Nana Bazaar. This is called Middle Street. It actually is a paved roadway, and you can see that there's cars. Vadilal Nu ice cream is over here. But we're going to... Where are we going, Mom?
Kisan Mart.
We're going back to Kisan Mart to get some snacks for our 8-day road trip around Gujarat. Here's the rest of the street. It's filled with different kinds of housing, from high-rises to homes of different colors. You can see that cows also roam here, and the local sakwala also sells his vegetables and fruits. And we keep going down the streets, coming to the crossroads. Cars. Usually this is the street that has the sock. You see there's lots of other places. The Dardaji Taylor is here. And we're still walking to the Kisan Mart. We're coming up against another cross street, friendly neighborhood. Cow, buffalo, and a few more tailors. Candy shop along the way. All right, we just rounded the corner and are now coming up to the Kisan Mart. Kisan, they also make papad, as you can see. Nitin would love the 10 rupee samosas and the vada paos. Jat nu male. All right, here we go. They have to check the bags, see what's going on here. All right, we are going inside the store. Here we go. It's just like an Indian store in America. Look at all the different things that they have. Yeah. Okay, mommy said snack le aana chahiye.